Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is a quick one going over a couple different reasons on why you should go for the Flashpoint Explorer 400 Pro, also known as the godox 8400 Pro, or go the 200 route to Evolve 200s, or also known as the godox 8200s, and combine those with the twin head adapter right here. If you guys could give this video a quick like, that would be really appreciated, and also let me know in the comments below which you actually prefer, the 400 route or the 200s. And also, let me know, type that in the comments while I go over today's sponsor, which is Adorama. Adorama is an industry-leading retailer that has been serving photography, videography, and audio customers for almost 50 years now. Their motto is everyone is a creator, and they do their best to unleash that creator within us all by providing us with the tools and expertise necessary to get the job done. I actually personally shop at Adorama for both the great deals and products I use and recommend, like these 400s and the 200s, but also the great customer service on those products as well. If you find yourself interested in either of these two products or other products that I might go over in today's video, check the links that will be in the description area below, and be sure to use those links if you decide to order. Right off the bat, the biggest reason why I would recommend for you guys to go with the 200 route is because it's literally a 2-light setup. You have more options to work with and a little bit more creativity and different light setups to work with when you have 2 lights. If you're gonna go with the 400 Pro, then you're limited to just that 1 light setup, but a little bit of a counter argument against myself. There is a bit of simplicity when you have just 1 light setup. If you're just learning, for example, then you might want just that 1 light setup and master that 1 light before you go into having a 2 light setup option like with the 200s. The second reason why I would recommend going with the 200s is because you actually have a backup flash bulb. So if you don't know, the 200 actually comes with this speedlight shaped head right here, but it also comes with this omnidirectional bulb right here that's going to be better for filling out softboxes more evenly and generally just avoiding hot spots than if you were to use the speedlight shaped head that it comes with. So if you consider yourself a bit of a clumsy person, then you always have that backup flash head. The next reason why I would recommend the 200s route is because, just like I said right now, it actually comes with the speedlight shaped head by default, and it has that extra omnidirectional bulb. But this speedlight shaped head right here allows you to use speedlight shaped accessories like the Magmod system or that other system like Cobra or these other systems that are basically made for speedlights, but you can actually use them with the 200s as well. Up until this point in this video, I have gone over a little bit more reasons on why you should go for the 200 route, but if I were to give any sort of praise for the 400, it's the fact that it does have a nice bright modeling lamp that is adjustable from 10% to 100%. The 200s does have a bright modeling lamp when you combine it with the twin head adapter, but when you have the lights connected to this twin head adapter, the output of the modeling lamp is not as fine-tuned as it is with the 400 Pro. So that's why I would probably go for the 400 Pro if you were going to go ahead and use a modeling lamp at your night photo shoots. Or of course, if you were to use the modeling lamp in a low light scenario when you're using it in a studio setting. Another benefit that the 400 Pro has over the 200s is the fact that it comes with the godox mount, which is a unique mount. It's not Bowens mount, even though it does have a Bowens mount adapter that you can attach to the 400 Pro. It comes with a godox mount by default. And the reason why I'm adding this as a benefit is because there are some different modifiers that godox has made that you can use with the 400 Pro that attaches directly to it. And those modifiers are very, very small and very, very portable compared to a Bowens mount version of the similar sized modifier or the same size modifier. So basically my point is the Bowens mount adapter that is going to be available on this twin head adapter for the 200s is going to have bigger modifiers that are going to be a little bit less portable than the much more portable modifiers that are made for this godox mount. So that's a big benefit for this 400 Pro. The last thing I want to talk about is the size and weight of these two different options. If you were to use the 200s with the adapter to combine it to make 400 watts, then it is a little bit not as simple as the 400 Pro is by itself with the handle and the light stand attachment stripped away. So here are the 200s together with the twin head adapter, and it is a little bit more of a, I want to say, complicated setup. So in case you didn't want to worry about having to remind yourself to bring all these different parts like the 2 flash tubes, the twin head adapter itself, the 200s, and maybe even the batteries for the 200s, and you wanted a more simpler system, then it might benefit you to go with the 400 Pro, which is right here. And like I said before, it's a lot simpler of a system if you intend to use 400 watts of power at your photo shoots. On the counter side to that of what I just said right now, sometimes it is beneficial for you guys to have the option to remove the 400 watt unit or 400 watt option in this case, and have it in different parts of your camera bag to kind of just fit better into your camera bag. Sometimes you might not have a spot in your camera bag that fits this specific size of a light, and you might want to have the option of just separating the light entirely like you can with the 2200s and just fit it in different parts of your camera bag. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to say one last thanks to Adorama for sponsoring this video, because when they do that, it allows me to keep making free content for you guys, so definitely check them out. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.